Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flawless by LauraIOM. So great to see you guys again. So I am sharing with you December's curation of beauty products that I'm into this month. One of them is this gorgeous face mask by MadBeauty, available at the Disney store, Boots, Superdrug, and it's a gorgeous Belle face mask. As we know, in the Disney film, there is a rose that sheds petals. So the active ingredient in this gorgeous face mask is rose water. And rose water is really versatile. It's great for any skin type, normal, oily, combination, dry, can be used on any of those skin types. It's really great for spots, acne, redness, at calming and soothing those areas of your face that have that concern. It's also really great in terms of the smell. The smell of rose water, it's really good at calming you down, and it's also great for anxiety. One of my favourite self-care routines is making sure I put a face mask on once or twice a week. Sometimes I take the time to enjoy my face mask and sit down and have it on, listen to my favourite music, or just sit and chill in the quietness and stillness as just a little bit of a pick-me-up in the day if I can make the time. We know we have such busy lives, and it's this Christmas season. We've got lots of time with family and friends, which is great, but don't forget to take a little bit of time out for you, even if it just is simply putting on a face mask and shutting the world out for 10 minutes. Again, if you are super busy and you don't have time to chill while putting your face mask on, because there's plenty of things going on, that's okay too. Pop your face mask on and clean the kitchen, finish the laundry, doing whatever you are doing, but at the same time, you're doing something for you too. Because we know that if our cup's full and overflowing off the sides, we've got lots to give other people. So make self-care a priority this holiday season. So I'm going to put on the face mask. Step 1, start with a freshly washed face. So I've just had a lovely bath and I've cleansed, toned and moisturised. I would carefully unfold it once you take it out of the packet. So after 10 minutes, remove the mask and wash the excess off. Back in a second. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so incredibly hydrated, which is great for winter. So I washed it off and I'm ready to go for today and get ready. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you take some time out for yourself this holiday season and put on a face mask. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Flawless by LauraIOM. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, all Flawless by LauraIOM. Till next time, guys. Thank you.